Welcome friends, I am Mohammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, now I will call the article tag. Article, and here I will define some padding for it. Padding 30 pixel from top, 20 pixel from right, 10 pixel from bottom, and 20 pixel from left. Control S to save. And now I go to my browser. You see that this text is written in article tag. So I refresh the page, and now you see that there has been made a space between the left corner and this text, and now it is showing in a good way. So friend, once again I come back here, and here I will call the promo underscore container the main class dot promo underscore container, and I also define some padding for it. Padding 0 pixel from top, 0 pixel from right, 15 pixel from bottom, and 20 pixel from left. So now from friend, I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So you see that this text, these headings also have come towards the right side, and there has been made a space here. So once again I come back to my Notepad++ code editor, and now friend, I will call the promo underscore container dot promo class. So I write here dot promo underscore container dot promo. So friend, first of all I will define it is with 30% not pixel, and I will use the float property float left, and I also define background position for it. Background position 0 pixel from top and 3 pixel from right. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser to see the preview. I refresh this page, so you see that all these three headings have been aligned in this way. Friend, now once again I go back to my Notepad++ code editor, and now I will call the class promo underscore container dot promo dot content, and I make two curly brackets. I show you, I go to index.html, and you see that this is dot content class, which is inside the promo1, and promo1 is inside the container. So once again I go to log.css, promo underscore container, promo and content. So friend, I will also define a padding for it. Padding 0 pixel from top, 30 pixel from right, 0 pixel from bottom, and 70 pixel from left. Control S to save, and now I come back here and refresh this page. So friend, you see that the text which was overlapping these images have been come back on its real place, and these links have been also aligned in this way, and they have come their original place. So friend, once again I go back, you see that this header image is also showing, only there is a space between this main image and header. I will also adjust it, and I go back here to my large.css, but first of all I will call the nav, because it is very essential that we also stylize the navigation bar. I show you that this navigation bar is showing down. Actually it should be here at this place, which is empty. So I come back here, and friend, I use the top property 150 pixel, Control S to save. So I come back here and I refresh this page. So friend, you should see that this navigation bar has come here inside this empty place. It is height is a little short, so I adjust its height. So I come back here and I first of all I style the nav A, mean anchor tags which are inside the nav. So I write nav A and make curly brackets. So I give some margin to it, margin 12 pixel from right, so it top, and 0 pixel from right, 10 pixel from bottom, and 20 pixel from left. Control S to save. So now friend, I go back here and refresh this page. So you see that its height has been increased, and now they are showing in this way. So friend, in this video we have brought this header image, we have stylized this navigation bar, and we have also stylized this article text and detail tag, and also these three sections. So this video has become enough lengthy. In next video I will come back, and in next video I will do some work in index.html.